What's up, everybody? Here to do a little unboxing and a how-to of installing this Moen single faucet. Gonna open this bad boy up. Don't need that. Here are some instructions right there. Gonna toss those aside for later. And first we have the push-down drain attached with a little gasket there. Use that later. Next, we have the whole faucet body attached to the hot and cold water lines. Then next, we have the 3-hole deck plate along with a foam gasket. There's the foam gasket. Gonna use those. Next we have a little adapter tool, not going to use that. And then finally we have the drain body. There we go. And then that is how you attach the faucet to the sink. That is the mounting bracket and the mounting nut. First we're going to lay the mounting gasket down and then put that on top of it, and then you're going to want to put the faucet body into the hole like so. And then next you're going to want to attach the mounting bracket with the mounting nut. You're going to want to put the mounting bracket on first. It just slides up. Does not screw on. As you can see here, I have a little bit of struggle with that. Just go ahead and slide that up. And then at this point, you can't really see what I'm doing, but I'm going to attach the nut that is given right here. I'm going to attach that on the bottom. And then you're going to want to tighten that with this handy plastic tool. That is the mounting tool. Just go ahead and tighten that as tight as you can. And then you're going to want to attach the hot to the hot and the cold to the cold. And I'm going to do this by hand just to show you how it's done. And then I'm going to tighten it myself with some wrenches just to make sure no water leaks out. Tighten it as tight as you can get it. And after that, you should be done. I'm not going to use the drain because I already have a working drain that matches. My old sink just didn't happen to work. But there you have it for installing the Moen single faucet. And it looks pretty good. And it also works pretty well as well. Alright, everybody, enjoy. Be sure to subscribe. Smash that like button. Alright, have a good one.